In Canada, a bank account is a safe and easy way to manage your money. Everyone has the right to apply for a bank account, even if you don't have a job or any money to put in the account right away. You need a bank account to write checks, use an ATM, or borrow money. It is safer to keep money in the bank than keeping it at home. When you want to open an account, go to the bank, credit union, or trust company. Take 2 pieces of identification with your signature and a photo if possible. Some examples of identification are a passport, immigration papers, Canadian driver's license, and a social insurance card. They will ask you to sign a signature card so they can keep a copy of your signature in their records. The bank will ask you to sign an account agreement. Before you sign, make sure you understand the agreement. Ask questions. Take someone with you who can explain or translate. The most common types of accounts are called checking accounts and savings accounts. A savings account is good if you want to save money. A checking account is a good account if you plan to use your account often. You can write checks with a checking account. You may need checks to pay some bills, such as rent. You buy checks from your bank, credit union, or trust company when you open the account. A valid check must have the following information: date, name, amount in numbers, amount in words, signature, account number. The name and account number are usually printed on your checks already. You cannot borrow a check from anyone else or lend a check to another person because your name and account number are written on the check. If you write a check and you do not have enough money in your account, you will have to pay a fee. This is called an NSF. If your checks are lost or stolen, phone your bank, trust company, or credit union immediately. Sometimes banks will hold the money from a check that you want to deposit in your account. You may have to wait 5 to 7 business days. This hold may be removed after a certain amount of time if you are a good customer. You will need a bank card if you want to make debit purchases or use a bank machine. When you get the card, the bank, credit union, or trust company will ask you to create a personal identification number, or PIN. Do not use your birthday, telephone number, or name because it will be easy for people to guess. Choose a secret number. Never give your PIN to anyone. If you do, they can take the money from your account. When you want to take money out of your account, put money into your account, or pay bills, it is usually less expensive and easier to use an ATM than to wait in line to see a teller at the bank, credit union, or trust company. A bank card can be used to open the door of the bank or credit union and to use the banking machine. Put your card in the machine and enter your PIN. The machine will ask you questions, such as whether you want to put money into your account or take money out of your account. You can put cash or checks in the ATM. You cannot deposit coins. Do not forget to take your card and receipt when you finish your transaction. You may want to keep the receipt for your records. You may be able to access your bank account on the internet. You can use the site to check how much money is in your account, pay bills, and use other services. When you open your account, the bank will give you information about using internet banking and telephone banking. If you have a problem with a bank, credit union, or trust company, you can discuss it with the help desk. This person usually sits at the desk in the front of the bank or credit union.